Hello guys, today we are going to talk about microprocessor and microcontroller. The microcontroller that we are using is 8051 microcontroller. Now before going into the difference between the microprocessor and microcontroller, we first need to understand what makes a system. Okay, so a system consists of these many things: a microprocessor, a RAM, a ROM, IO devices, that is input output devices, and timers. Why we require microprocessor? Microprocessor is just for processing. Let's say you're adding two numbers, 2 plus 3 and you know the result will be 5. So microprocessor will do only the job of addition. You need to give it the numbers and the result must be stored somewhere. This is why you require RAM and ROM. IO devices for connecting peripheral devices with this system. And timers are used to generate delay, or they are used to count time. They are very useful, and this whole lot makes one system. This whole lot is included into a microcontroller. Why is it included inside a microcontroller? Because if you add these things separately, you are just increasing space. Okay, you will require much of space to add all these systems. So that is why microcontroller was designed. 8051 was designed around 40 years ago, and today we are going to learn the difference between the microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor is basically used in computers, and microcontroller is used everywhere else, like in watches, in TV remote or DVD remote, in the festive lightings that you have, and all such things. So if you keep these two things in mind, the diagram which I showed you, and that microprocessor is used in computers and microcontroller is used in peripheral in many devices like watches and everything, you will easily write the difference between them. So the first difference is, it is just a processor, and this is processor plus memory device plus IO component, as I showed you in the diagram. Second difference is, since it has only one processor, so if you need to connect memory devices or connect IO ports, the circuit becomes large. Here, since all are included inside the microcontroller, the circuit is small. Then the third difference is, this cannot be used in compact systems. Why it cannot be used? As I told you, only microprocessor can do nothing. You require RAM, ROM and IO devices. So if you try to bring the whole thing inside a wristwatch, the wristwatch will be the size of your hand. That is not possible, so it cannot be used in compact systems. But this can be used. Then the fourth difference is, since you have to attach memory and other devices, cost increases. Here the cost is less. Then, since this is a microprocessor, it is used inside computers. Okay, so there are no power saving modes on this. It will use all the power you give it. So no power saving modes. On the other hand, a microcontroller has power saving modes. Okay, two modes are power down mode and idle mode. Then you have the number of registers. This has less number of registers. This has more registers. Why is this so? Well, there's a specific, not no specific reason actually. It's all because of memory. It has less number of registers inside it because it's going to use external memory, RAM and ROM, externally connected. But microcontroller is having memory and RAM and ROM inside it. Therefore, it has more number of registers. Now, this is used based on actually von Neumann model, and this is based on Harvard model. Then finally, where it is used. Now this microprocessor is used in computers, as I told you at the start, and this is used in every other thing like wristwatch, TV remote, oven, fridge, and many things. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video.